That's
Well,
the goal of SpaceX.
it's certainly a smart goal if you take into consideration how vulnerable this planet really is. I mean, there's always some new story about something that might come and hit us 30 years from now. It's a 3% chance, and we really can't stop that right now, right? I mean, we don't really have the technology currently to even know how many rocks are coming our way, right? There's stuff that comes behind the sun that we can't see until it's pretty close, then it's headed our way.
Yeah.
Now, what is the fear of it's a long journey to Mars. You're sending people, it's a 6 month, how many months will it take?
6 months. Yeah, 6 months roughly.
What about stuff that's out there? Like, how much of a fear is it of micrometeors or any of the possibilities? What can you do to mitigate that?
Uh, I think actually, I mean, space is very empty. Like once you get out of Earth orbit, space is like kind of unnervingly empty. It's just like when we send spacecraft to Mars, it's not like, oh, we lost the spacecraft because it got hit by a micrometeorite. Um, that's not been the cause of any trips to Mars. Like no trips to Mars have failed because of micrometeorites. Um, Now a Dragon spacecraft, which operates in low Earth orbit, um, does have micrometeorite shields. It has shielding. And micrometeorite shielding is different from normal shielding because like you get hit by something that's moving like you could have a relative velocity of like maybe 30 or 40,000 miles per hour. Um, yeah, so very very fast. Or just thought of another way, call it 10 to 20 times the velocity of a bullet from an assault rifle.
And
Um,
what are
so,
you
so like
using?
yeah, so well, it's interesting. You actually, in order for micrometeorite protection, if you have anything that's solid, it will just push that chunk of solid stuff right through. So if you had like a solid plate of aluminum or steel, the micrometeorite would go right through it. Um, so what you actually need to do is have a gap. So you have an initial uh, like hard surface, a hard metal surface that the micrometeorite hits. It then atomizes into a conical spray, like an atomic spray.